Dear students, welcome back to our series on geography. In our last episode, we understood India, the context of South Asia, and India as a land of diversity. In today's episode, let's continue further on the same topic under the following segments. 1. Introduction. 2. Diversity of natural features. 3. Economic diversity. 4. Social and cultural diversity. 5. Unity of diversity. That is under the segment 1, introduction to the first segment. India commonly described as subcontinent with peninsular features. It is a land of great unity within diversity. India has been able to project itself as a single territory because of its physical, political, social and economic context. The physical regions in India are distinctively different from one another with respect to their surface features. The Himalayas in the north are the young fold mountains and form the highest and the most rugged mountain features in the world. Geographically, India is separated by Himalayas from the rest of Asia. It protects the country from the cold winds of Central Asia, and they are obstructed the monsoon winds and cause heavy rainfall to the country. Himalayas are the natural boundaries of the country. In contrast with Himalayas, the Great Plains are the most recent formation. It is a most extensive fertile plain. These plains are located in between the foothills of Himalayas and the plateau of peninsular India. They occupy 20% of the total land area of India. They are formed by the alluvium brought down from the Himalayas. Northern plains are drained by 3 river systems, the Ganga, Brahmaputra and the Indus. In the south is the plateau of peninsular India, which is the oldest and the least disturbed land mass on the earth. The peninsula is large triangle in form and it is formed by the ancient igneous and metamorphic rocks. The plateau of peninsular India is fringed with narrow coastal line. These coastal lines are washed by Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south. Climatically, India does not have uniform climate. Some areas are very cold, others are very hot and very dry, and others are wet. Even the rivers of India have contrasting characteristics. For example, Himalayan rivers have their origin in the snow-covered areas and they are perennial. On the other hand, rivers of peninsular plateau dry up during the summer and they are rain-fed rivers. The physical diversity and climatic conditions have produced a large difference in the country. For example, on one hand, you find uninhabited areas in India like Ladakh and Thar Desert, and on the other hand, you find river valleys and deltas with thick population. The length and breadth of the country has different types of religion, languages, culture and races. All level of economic development from the Stone Age to the computer age are seen in the country.